ekuseni ezeyalanyulwa amaphoyisa. Isizathu esokuthi sirana ama-processes amabili la. Kukhona abantu esithi sibakhipha ngokwe-voluntary repatriation, okusho ukuthi umuntu ovele nje waqhamuka wathi ngicela ukuhamba simprocesse ngalolo hlelo. Kwase kubonakala ukuthi lolu hlelo luhamba kancane lwe-voluntary repatriation ngoba luncike kakhulu ukuthi uhulumeni waseMalawi amabhasi awalethayo afika mangakhi. Mancane kakhulu amabhasi abawalethayo ngoba sikadluli ngisho namabhasi lawu-12 ukuthi sikwazi ukukhipha laba bantu. So-ke sasesivumelana ukuthi kwase kuvunyelwa nako ukuthi at least ake sizame ukuthi sivule enye isite sikwazi ukubamanage kuleyo site. So manje kunalenye iprocess yesibili esithi deportation. Nizokhumbula ukuthi uhulumeni wase-South Africa akakwazi ukuthi asebenzise imali yala e-South Africa for voluntary repatriation ngoba i-voluntary repatriation ifanele ifandwe uhulumeni wala bephuma khona. So-ke ngesizathu esinjalo uma behlangana izikhulu ekuyizona eziplana lento, which is ministers and deputy ministers that are managing this whole situation, abaphuma kwi-JCPS cluster, a directive came in to say for the government of South Africa to be able to use imali yase-South Africa to take these people out is through the deportation, which is the mandate of Home Affairs. Our daily mandate is to deport people. There's nothing untoward around that. So saqala ke process yokwenza i-deportation because ukuze bakwazi ukuthathwa manje amanye amabhasi ke manje azophuma ekhishwa uhulumeni wase-South Africa. So ke iyona ke into edala ukuthi kube nenkinga. So ke ekseni besiqala ke ngale ukususa laba esibafight baye enkantolo ngoba mawuzokwenza i-deportation kumele umuntu ayovela phambi kwenkantolo aconfirmwe for deportation. That is the law ekumele singakwazi. That's why sinenye inkantolo ekhona la kwi-site. So ke ekseni into eyenzakalile besikade silayisha abantu abafanele ukuthi baye enkantolo ngenxa yokuthi amabhasi kamasipala be-delayed kancane ukuthi afike. Inkantolo sezilindile ngale sacabanga ukuthi asisebenzise iy'moto zethu ezi-branded zakwa-Home Affairs ukubathatha sibahambise enkantolo. Kanti imessage ezoya kwi-crowd izothi bayaboshwa labantu for the purposes of ukuthi sibahambise Lindela eGoli ukuze badeport. Kanti akunjalo. So uma bezwa lokho-ke that's when-ke beqale khona bathi hayi ngeke abafowethu nodadewethu baboshwe sikhona yasuka inkathazo.